Okay, so this is now we do tier two. Tier two, as you can see over here, tier two we're gonna use catalog sales with CPAS. So catalog sales is over here. I have this CPAS. This is really the catalog sales, and then eventually we're gonna spend about $720 within this period of time. So let's go in. So I go into my CPAS. So these are all my ad sets. So what I do here is I'm just gonna create a new one. So this you have two options, okay? Like the tier one, what I did was I actually duplicate from an existing one because I don't want to go through the whole setting again. But when it comes to this one, I actually create a new ad set over here because I want to work on the what do we call the ad set settings again. So this is how we do it. Now this is T2, T2 1111, okay, and it's gonna be catalog, or we can do CPAS lah. Okay, everybody understand? 01/11/2020. So the date, and then I'm just gonna go in, continue with the ad set creation. As you can see here, remember to pay attention to where you are. Facebook always shows you, where are you right now and which part of it, that you're actually doing. So which ad set that you're promoting must be something that is set. So over here, my client wants to promote the top sellers. So okay, now you have to watch what I do over here. When we go for promoting a top seller, there must be some reason we want to promote a top seller. But does it mean that I'm only retargeting people who visit my top seller? Not necessarily. I will show you in the settings in a bit. Now, I'm just going to select, this is the product that I want to highlight. This is the product that I want to promote. Okay, then the top seller. So basically, we need to set an end date. So the moment you set an end date, if I'm not mistaken, it becomes a lifetime. So let me see. So I'm just going to go through this. That 200000, the end that would be 14, and then 2300. All right, so it's a 12-day campaign, and then okay, so there is a start date, there is an end date. Now I haven't set the budget yet, so how much am I spending over here? 60 a day, 60 a day daily budget. All right, or I can actually go for lifetime straight away. I don't mind. So lifetime, how much am I looking at? 720, and the date is on this. Okay, now I'm just going to do lifetime. This is just to save the hassle, and it's perfectly fine. So you really have to understand which one you want to choose. Yeah, but most of the time, I will go for daily if you want to keep this campaign open. But when I go for lifetime, means this is really a set lifetime that I want this campaign to run, and I'm not going to change the budget, which means I won't want to do any adjustment along the way. This is a campaign that is set and fixed. So this I can go for lifetime. Now, so this is how we actually do. Remember, this is a tier 2 campaign whereby we're going to retarget people, but who you retarget, how do you want to retarget is really the question to ask. Now, remember at the very beginning, we are saying that we are promoting the top sellers, but who are we promoting the top sellers to? Are we only promoting those people who view or added to cart on the item? This is really the preset one, but let's go down. I want to show you the custom combination. This is where we play with the technique. So now, okay, I'm promoting the top seller. However, I am retargeting people who people who actually interacted with all my products. You get the idea right now? I'm retargeting everyone who have interacted with any of my products in the past 30 days. Either you viewed, okay, or you added to cart. I think I can just go for view. I don't care. Just anyone who viewed any of the products in the last 30 days will fall into this audience. And I would actually exclude people who have purchased in the recent 14 days. Now, the reason why I do this is because, in my opinion, based on the product that we are selling for this client, if you have just purchased within 2 weeks ago, it's not very likely that you will buy again. However, if you have been visiting, so this 30 days means it's actually started from, the day we started, whereby if we start on the 3rd, so it actually goes way back 30 days, and it will until we end the campaign until 14. We are still covering those people, whoever who come in, because all products include, each and every one of the product sets that we have created. So basically, the tier 1, whenever people touch any of the product, it will automatically flow back into this tier 2. It will never end. However, we are opening up. We are targeting everybody. So those people who have visited the product in the past, 30 days but have not purchased, they will start seeing these top seller products, as they go along. Okay. No. Let's come back to this. I actually said this. So let's do this again. You see, I accidentally clicked the wrong thing. All products, or interacted with all products, okay? People who viewed in the last 30 days. You see, this is, have to redo again, but not purchased in the last 14 days. So that's how we go. So this is a custom combination. All right, so when we go for this, and then we will go into, so everything else remains unchanged. So I'm just gonna go into the ad level right away. Now for ad level, you know, I'm just gonna do all products. No, this is top seller. Top seller, 30 day retargeting. 01/11/2020. At least you understand what is this thing that you are doing right now, right? So you can consider choosing a dynamic image or dynamic video. So I'm just going to do a dynamic video. I've just created this video, so this is what I'm going to do. So this, technically, this video is going to become the first advertisement. However, it may not work on all the devices over here. So yeah, so this is what we're actually trying to set over here. Now, a few things that we need to do. First, we need to set on the primary text. So let's get over. This is the primary text that I'm actually copying from the email, and I'm just going to paste it in. And okay, looks like for this advertisement, for this kind of advertisement, so because this is really for tier 2, when we are doing the carousel, stranger, as you can see here, all the emojis gone missing. So when the emojis gone missing, then you have to delete everything. All right, no choice. Okay, now, okay, so this is how it looks like. We're back, lowest price, guaranteed deals, blah, 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 product names. Okay, so this is how I do. So this will actually use this link instead. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Right, so that pretty much sums up to this advertisement. I would like to try this thing to see whether this thing can show on my mobile phone. Let me see. So let me capture this tree, replace this tree. So let me go in, and pretty much I'm done with this advertisement. Yeah. So what I want to do now is I want to preview it in my phone to see whether it works as intended. So this is pretty much how we do the advertisement. Okay, so this is tier 2. Remember, you have to really understand why you want to take certain so-called strategy decision on tier 1 or tier 2. Okay, no, I'm actually saying this on my phone right now. For catalog sales, for some reason, the emoji doesn't appear, as opposed to what we did. You know, we did the same thing for tier 1, but it worked. But for tier 2, it doesn't work. So for this case, we're just gonna close this thing in. I'll preview it again. Always preview your advertisement in your own devices to make sure that nothing goes wrong over here. So I will screenshot the preview. Not to say I would actually record the preview. I'll edit this preview towards the end of this video so that you will see how it looks like. And basically, this is how we set up our tier 2. So you can choose to, basically what we usually do is we use the product name as headline, and then we use the description as, you know, the price as description. However, you can always you know, come in and browse to see what are the options available that you can choose from. So this is how we do our tier 2. So once it's done, we click publish. It's all good. All right, so it's time for you to set up your CPAS campaign instead. Let me know what are the strategy combinations that you want to use, and post it in the group that we are, you know, all in. I don't mind to, you know, basically come in and just look at your strategy and give you some tips here and there. Okay, all the best. I'll see you in the maybe next course or in the group. See you. Bye.